Hi friends! Today we're gonna learn Jingle Bells! And so with this video, they're gonna sing a line and then we're gonna sing it back so that we can learn all of the words to Jingle Bells. Here we go. Okay, so they're gonna sing it first and then it'll be our turn. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. The snow, one way, or the we go. Laugh, bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. Fun it is to ride and sing a sleigh tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, one horse jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open. Awesome job, friends. So just remember that you can always go back and practice the song again. You can stop the video, do whatever you needed to do to be successful to learn Jingle Bells, and most importantly, have fun. Take care.